So a lot of people have been asking me how they can successfully upload other people's videos on Facebook and still make money off of it. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do that. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. So to get started, the first thing you need to do is to come over to your browser. If you're using your mobile phone, you can use your mobile phone to do this effectively without any hassle. So the first thing you need to do is to visit Facebook.com. And then once it opens, the next thing you're going to do is to click on video, the video section of Facebook, so that we can find the viral videos, okay? We can find viral videos. And to do that, all we have to do is to just keep scrolling down, and we're going to be looking for videos that are over 500,000 views and over 1,000 comments, because those are the kind of video that has done well, but not too well that everybody has seen it. So you have to get something that most people have not seen, but a lot of people have seen. And then the second thing you need to do while looking for videos is that you need to look for videos within your niche. You need to find a niche first that you want to be uploading videos about, and then you're going to then look for videos within that niche, because you want to have a niche. You don't want to be posting all type of videos on your page. You want to be posting specific type of videos. For instance, if you're going to be posting things around health, so you now have to always be on the lookout for videos within the health niche. So you just post just about that, right? Again, I will strictly advise you to not post anything that has to do with comedy, skits, because people know these skit makers and all of that. So they are not going to find it funny if you're posting skit from this person, skit from this person, skit from this person, except you want to do a commentary on that particular skit or something that you learned in that skit. But I will not encourage anybody to post skits, because again, those fan base, most of the fan base are very loyal to the skit makers. They might find it offensive that you're posting their faves videos on your page, and they might even get to report you, and Facebook is going to delete your page. So you don't want any of that. So you just want to post videos from neutral people that is about to go viral. You just go ahead, get those videos and re-upload them on your Facebook using the method that I'm going to be showing you, and you're good to go. It's quite easy to do, but it needs a little bit of work, and I'm going to be showing you all that in this video. So don't skip away, don't scroll away, keep watching this video to the end. So now that we have gotten that out of the way, all you have to do is to just search for the video that you want to upload, depending on the niche that you want to upload the video. Now, in another video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start re-uploading movies like this on your Facebook page and use it to make a lot of money for yourself. As you can see, this has gotten 118,000 plays, and it was just posted a few days ago. And as you can see, it has gotten over 2,000 likes, which means it's going to go viral, and this person is going to make a lot of money from it. So let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a video on how you can start uploading movies like this. I've done a tutorial in the past on how you can re-upload movies on YouTube. If you haven't seen that video, please find the link in the description, or you can go ahead and click here to learn how you can re-upload movies on YouTube. And then let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a tutorial on how you can upload movies on Facebook, and I'm going to go ahead and do that for you. So now we're going to go ahead and use this video. You can see it has 1,000 comments and just a little over 500,000 views. Here, the next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and download this. I'm not going to show how to download it so that I don't go against YouTube's community guideline rules. But what I'm going to do for you is that I'm going to be leaving a tutorial on how to download the video in my Telegram channel. All you have to do is to find the link in the description, click on it to join the Telegram channel to also see how you can download the video on your device and then use it to do what you want to do. But I can show it in this video. Sadly, I've gotten a strike because of that before, so I'm being extra careful this time, right? And then the next thing I'm going to do is to open up my CapCut like so. And once it opens, you're going to click on Create Project. Once it opens, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on Import. And I'm going to import this video like so, and then click on Open. So the next thing you're going to do once you upload it is you're going to drag it to the timeline like so. So now that we have it here, you're going to click on the video itself, click on the video like this, and you're going to come over to this ratio and make sure you select 9:16, okay? Select 9:16. You can see that it's not up to 9:16, but not to worry, I'm going to show you what you're going to do next. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and import a video of me. Now, this is where it gets tricky. You don't really have to say anything meaningful. You don't need to say anything in particular, but it has to be a video. So you have to use a video of you. All you have to do is to set your camera and record like a footage of 10 minutes, and then you can always use it interchangeably on all the videos that you're going to be posting, right? So the best advice I'm going to give you is, if you're going to be doing this, you're going to take out like 2 hours or 1 hour. It's not even going to be up to 1 hour. Just set up your camera and make sure that it's in 9:16, and you're going to make a video just keep saying anything to the camera. You don't have to be shy because you're not going to be showing yourself on the video. I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to use that video, but just say anything, just like as I'm doing now. You're going to be saying something to the video, just keep saying something to the video, and afterwards you're going to then use it to do exactly what I want to use it for. So I'm going to be using a random video that I filmed in the past, just to show you that it doesn't really matter the type of video that you use, as long as there's a video. That is the trick, right? So I'm going to go ahead and import that video right now. So now that I've imported the video, the next thing I'm going to do is to drag the video to the timeline. So I'm going to drag it like so. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to take this video on top of the one that I just put in now, right? So now that I have this, I'm going to bring this one down. So now we have the two videos in the timeline. My video is behind, and the video that I want to use for this tutorial is on top. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to bring the playhead, and I'm going to cut off this part of my video, and I'm going to go ahead and delete this part, so we just have this beginning part, right? So now the next thing I'm going to do right here is I'm going to reduce this video. Okay, I'm going to reduce this video like so. All right, so make sure you scale it down so that a portion of you can be seen. Now, this is for the purpose of this tutorial. I shot the video in landscape, but this is not how you're going to be shooting yours. Yours is going to be 9:16, so it's going to be a lot easier to position. But now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to highlight mine, and I'm going to drag it so that I'll cover the screen like so, and show just a little bit of my face like this. And the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure you turn off the sound from your own video. That is this sound, okay? Because you didn't really say anything meaningful in the video, right? So you're going to go ahead and turn it off. So now the video is almost ready. The next thing you're going to do is to come over here and click on text, and then you're going to click on add text, and you're going to click on default, and then you're going to come here and type in watch this video to the end. And we're going to come over to text and come over to effects, and let's go ahead and choose any effects. Let's choose this one and see how it looks. Okay, this one looks okay. Let's try this one. All right, this one looks okay as well. And let's go over to basic and choose a font. You're going to use something that is going to be readable, so I'm just going to go ahead and select this elegant. Okay, so select elegant is quite readable, and then you're going to come over to preset style. You're going to choose the style that you want depending on what you want to achieve with it. But then I want something that is always visible, that people can easily read, so I'm just going to go ahead and select something like this, and that is it for this one. Then we're going to scroll down and maybe add some shadows just to add some contrast to the text so that it can be very visible. And then the next thing we can do here is to copy this same text. We're going to copy it and paste it on top. Okay, copy and paste, and then we'll have that on top, and then we're going to move this one to the top like so, and we're going to edit the information here. We're going to edit the text. People are very wicked. Bring this down so that it can be very bold, and we're going to put this one on top, and we're going to just drag this to the top. Okay, put it like so. Yes, so this is perfect as it is. And now our video is ready. You can choose to change the write-up. Okay, you can choose to change the write-up color. So to do that, all we have to do is to come here and select the color that we want. Let's leave it at white so that you can have a different look from the one under, right? So we can have something like this, or you can decide to minimize it just a little bit, so that it doesn't look too clustered and look too funny, right? So now we have this, it's perfect as it is. Now you can see my face in the background talking, but it's not really me that is talking. It's actually the video that is saying something. I didn't say anything. Now, to add an extra layer of caution, just in case, but this works 99.9% of the time, but to add an extra layer, just to make it 100%, you can just go ahead and do a voiceover, and slap it under the video, and just, instead of writing this text, you can do a voiceover, and then you're going to pause this video. And to do that, it's very simple. All we have to do is to bring in this video. We're going to go over to import, and we're going to drag it to our timeline. Let's find a good spot in the video and put it right here. And then we're going to just play it just a little bit, okay? Just a little bit, and we're going to close this up like so. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to speed it up, okay? Reduce the speed so that it's going to be in slow motion, right? That way it's going to be like like a picture, right, while we're doing the voiceover. So that's what we're trying to achieve. You can take a screenshot if you're working with your phone. It's much easier to take a screenshot and then use it to resize it. But if you're working with your system, you can just do this. It's quite easy and very fast. So now that we have cut this part out, we're going to go ahead and reduce the speed like so. All right, so we're going to reduce the speed. So it's going to be very, very slow. And we're going to then drag the video to this place, right? We're going to drag the video to this place. And we're going to move all these things back. We're going to move it backwards just a little bit. And then this space here is where you're going to put in your voiceover. And to do that, you can just use the voice recorder on your mobile phone to record and then slap it in here. Or you can record it from CapCut directly. And to do that, all you have to do is to click on this voiceover icon here. If you click on the voiceover icon, you can start talking. And here, you don't have to really say much. You can just do an intro, like the same thing that we wrote here. People are wicked. People are very wicked in this world. Watch this video to the end. Watch this video to the end to learn how people are very, very wicked, and let me know what you think in the comment section. So now you can see the voiceover is ready. The next thing I'm going to do to this voiceover to make it sound even better is to go ahead and click on reduce noise to reduce the noise in the voiceover. And now the voiceover is ready, the video is ready. So now you can see the video is ready and I didn't even have to show my face. If I scrub through, you can see that you're seeing that there's a video behind, but I didn't show my face. Another thing you can do to be extra careful is, depending on the type of video that you're uploading, if it's a video that shows a process of doing something, you don't even need to play the audio of the video, right? You don't need to play the audio. You can use your voiceover to explain what is happening in the video. So just like this one, they just met this guy who became popular some time ago, and all of a sudden nobody heard from him again. And they bumped into the guy and they were asking him what he's doing here and why he went back to begging and all of that. So in order to be very careful, all you have to do is to just mute the audio and then use your voice to explain what happened in the video. And that will give it another context. And there's nothing like copyright, nothing would ever make copyright come close to you. You won't get any copyright claim and you'll be 100% safe. In fact, not 100%, because this one already gives you 99.9.9. But with this, you're going to be 120% safe. Now, if you're looking to start a Facebook page, if you're looking to start making money on Facebook, you're looking for how you're going to grow very fast and get monetized in 3 days, I have tutorials on this and I've put them together in this playlist. All you have to do is to go over to this playlist now to watch any of them that you have not seen before, to learn how you can grow your Facebook page really fast and get monetized really fast, and thank me later. So see you on the other side. Ciao.